I'm unboxing 32-liter microwave oven. Look at this video. How beautiful it is. Its color is grey, and the main thing this oven does, it's absolutely latest model of Samsung and it's August manufacture. Today I'm showing everything about this microwave, that what is the price, features and how it will start and how will you use this convection. If you will purchase this oven, what will you get? You will get turntable, high-low rake, roll pin, glass ball and trusty plate, roasting split and skewer and barbecue. There are good features in this microwave. If you will buy this oven, you will get a skewer. Just look at this. It is cool. And it is high and low rake with this microwave. And it is crusty plate with this microwave. So there are different type of features: hot blast auto, slim fry, Indian recipe, masala and sundry, power defrost, combo diary, hot blast, grill, microwave, combi. If you are using this button, absolutely hot blast is new button in this microwave. So I'm showing about hot blast, that what is hot blast in this microwave. Hot blast is the mode of convection. If you are using hot blast, then you can make any bakery item and cookies item. It is a modified button of convection. Hot blast is new in this microwave. I'm showing that how it starts, this microwave. So press the microwave button and press this button, and now it is start. Okay, now I'm opening the door. There are features. It's a hot blast auto. So it's not a hot blast. Hot blast is different features from hot blast auto. Hot blast can be used only for bakery items, and hot blast auto is using for bangan bharta, gajar ka halwa, banarsi kheer, sakarkandi, stuffed potato and etc. And there is slim fry. Slim fry can be used for samosa pocket, veg cutlets, bread pakoras, masala french fries. And there are some Indian recipe. An Indian recipe is using for roti, naan, soup, sweets, continental and etc. And there are features of combo and diary. It can be used for litti chokha, stuffed aloo naan, matar paneer, dal chawal and best tandoori platter. And it is features of masala and sundry. Masala and sundry can be used for garam masala, biryani, sambar, chaat masala and rasam powder, and sun-dried tomatoes, sun-dried apple. So there are features of this microwave which can be easily used by anyone. Thank you.